There are many tools which we use for communicating with parents and students at Barrhead Composite High School. The first one is our web page, which can be accessed at barrheadcomposite.ca. Here, you will find the latest information for the current week in our announcement posting. See upcoming events in our events feed, and see the first 4 highlighted events or school updates in our front page news feed. Additional news items can be found by clicking News under the News and Events menu. Also, under the News and Events menu, you can find our school newsletters, which we publish in the Barrhead Leader every month. Other general information communication tools can also be accessed through our website. You can view our Facebook feed, where you can like us. This allows you to follow our Facebook feed. When you access our events calendar, you can scroll to the bottom and see instructions on how to subscribe to the calendar. You can also subscribe to receive email updates, which include newsletters and announcements sent to your email inbox right when they are posted on the website. The previous examples were all items that give general information for all students. To find out information about your child specifically, the best tool to use is PowerSchool. A student may access PowerSchool with their access information which they received from the school. A parent must create an account in order to access their child's information. Initially, this may seem like an unnecessary step. However, many of our parents have multiple children, and having an account allows them to log in once to see all of their children's information, even if their children attend different Pembina Hills schools. In order to create an account, you will need a parent web ID letter, which you can get from the office of your child's school, if it is a Pembina Hills school. This letter has a parent access ID and a confidential parent access password. The parent access ID is your child's first name and last name followed by the letter P, without any spaces. To access PowerSchool for students and caregivers, go to barrheadcomposite.ca and click the PowerSchool student information link. To create an account, click on the Create Account tab. Then click the Create Account button. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and desired username. If the username you want is already taken, you will have to choose a different username. You will also need to type your chosen password twice. You will want to pick a password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Now, you can link your child's or children's accounts. For this, you will need to use the information from your parent web ID letter. If you don't have information for one of your children, you can link that child's account later. For each child you want to link to your account, enter their name, parent access ID from the letter, parent access password also from the letter, and choose the relationship you have with the child. Repeat these steps for any additional children you have in Pembina Hills schools. The last step is to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Enter button. Now you can return to the student and caregiver sign-in page and use your newly created username and password in the appropriate fields and click the Sign-in button. You will no longer need to use the Parent Access ID or Parent Access Password found on the letter, as your username and password are the key you will use to access all of your children's information. If you try to create an account using these instructions and it doesn't work, or if you need other help creating your account, please feel free to contact the Barrhead Composite High School office. Also, after you create a single sign-on with a computer, you can download the PowerSchool mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. The first time you start up the app, you will need to enter the mobile district code, which is MSJP. If you need to find the code later, it can be found on the web-based PowerSchool page. We have found that the app works quite well.